Yep. What's going on, everybody? As you can probably tell by the old thumbnail. Oh no. Oh, almost beat my door up. But as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be doing something to the old Ranger Danger 53,000. Look at that, man. It's literally the same size as the GMC, which is crazy. I do need to figure out how I can level the back end though, because like I said, they don't make another kit for the truck at this current time. The back definitely sets higher than the front, which is weird because this isn't the FX4, this is the 4x4 Sport. So I don't know, it might just be standard equipped on all trucks now that the back end's so high up. I know it's usually on like the off-road models, they usually jack the back end up a little bit more than factory, but that's not going to be anything to concern this video today. As you guys know, this truck does have running boards, which they're pretty good running boards. They're not bad. They're not like bulky and sticking out crazy far. But I do want to take them off. I feel like the truck will look a lot better with the running boards off. So in today's video, we're going to be popping these bad boys off and just seeing how it looks with them off. Because I feel like it'll look a lot better, honestly, with the running boards off. And don't laugh, it does have tire shine on it. My mom drove it when it was snowing and she took it through the car wash. And yeah, they put 7 pounds of tire shine on this thing. So yeah, the tires are slippery and they're not wet, they're just slippery. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. We'll crawl up under here, get these things off, and then once I get them off, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how they turned out, or how it turned out. I think it's gonna look a lot better. None of my trucks have running boards, and this one, it's about the same height as the OBS, and it's on a 4-inch, but that's because this thing's 2-wheel drive. But it's about the same height as the Sierra, and it's, you know, doesn't have running boards. So we're going to take these bad boys off and see how it looks, see how it turns out. This truck is almost the same length as the Sierra too, just a little bit smaller. Got to put our plate on as well while we're back here. And I think I'm going to take my receiving hitch off of this GMC and put on the other one, because I don't drive this one much. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put that on the other truck. And the reason why I had this on a truck is because, you know, if somebody rear ends you, I'm gonna make sure that it's, you know, that their car's screwed up too. So that's why I put this on. And that's why, as you can see, the hook is facing up. That way, if I hit something or somebody hits me, it's gonna do some damage. Because I won't be the only one getting a new vehicle, hopefully, if they have insurance. But no, I'm just playing that. I just leave it up. You know, I think it looks better with the hook up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. We're gonna get these running boards off, and once I get them off, we're gonna pull the truck out, and then I'll show you guys how it looks with them off. And I'm gonna actually look at the rear, because I think this thing is on leaf springs as well. It is, so there might be some kind of block back here, possibly. I don't know. I don't see one. It's kind of crazy. You can get back here right by the exhaust, and it's just super quiet. A little 4-banger for you. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and get these things off. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, so they're off, and let me just say, that is like a night and day difference, just literally taking off your side steps or running boards. That looks so much better now without them. So much better. It gives the truck, it makes it look taller, in my opinion. Definitely makes it look a lot better. There we go, that's a good angle. Truck looks level there, but it's not, the back is still, I feel like, maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch taller, which isn't crazy, it's not real noticeable. But yeah, I usually like the front to be like a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch taller than the rear. But yeah, I mean, I think it looks good. And I was saying in the other video that I might wrap the Ford with that gloss black. After I got to looking, this here is actually like a matte black. So I think I'm gonna get some matte black wrap to go in that area there, like I did on the Tundra. I feel like that would look really good. And then this here is also matte black, but I plan on getting this stuff here color matched. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better in my opinion. I still feel like the grills on these trucks look like an SUV grill, but I mean, it's really starting to grow on me. I feel like once they make a light bar for that section there in between, well, on the sides of the Ford, I feel like that would beef it, I don't know what you'd call it, beef it up a little bit to make it look more aggressive. I think that would definitely help. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a lot better. I don't know what it is about running boards coming off a truck, but it just makes it look 10 times better in my opinion. Unless you're, you know, an older gentleman, you know, hard to get in a vehicle, then I understand why you run them. But for younger guys, I mean, unless you're like super short, I really don't see a need for them. That looks so much better, and it gives it more ground clearance. I mean, it just looks overall 10 out of 10 compared to, you know, the stock look. Well, not the stock look, but with the running boards. I guess you'd say stock because they come from the factory like that. Those were factory running boards. Next thing I might take off is this lower valence. There is a piece that comes down about 2.5, 3 inches right here at the bottom. This piece here. I might take that off too. Give it a little bit more ground clearance in the front. Well, make it look like it's getting more. But yeah, that's going to do it for the old Ranger. Like I said, it's just hard to make videos with this thing right now, just considering there's not a lot of aftermarket parts out for it. I'm trying to do what I can to it, because there's not a lot of content on Ford Rangers on the old tube. But hopefully I can help with that once we start getting some more aftermarket accessories for the truck. Because I don't want to do like Starlight headliner in this thing. I don't want to do that kind of stuff. I want to do like lift modifications, maybe an exhaust system. I don't know. Being that it is a 4-cylinder, I don't know if you can actually make those sound good or not. I know the Tundra, when I had the muffler and stuff cut off of it, it sounded like a Honda Civic on crack. So I don't know if I want to go that route. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that sub button as well. And the next video after this one will probably be on the old Sierra. Haven't decided on this truck yet. I know I want to do, you know, the 6 lug spacers and whatnot, and then the 6-inch wheel hub assemblies for the front on the truck. But as far as upgrades now, I do want to do a different exhaust eventually. I want to do a rebuild kit on the front end on that thing as well. A new rear bumper, new grille, and new mirrors for the outside, because these are like kind of distorted. They look kind of faded and whatnot. So I do want to do that as well. But as far as this truck here, I know I need to get a front axle for the passenger side. So while I'm at it, I'll probably just do both front axles. And then that thing's really ready to go. I mean, I need to get the driver's seat redone. But other than that, as far as the interior, I mean, the interior is clean. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. What should we do to that truck next? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.